Apparently, there are still snacks in the Netherlands that we haven't tried.
What?
Shoarmarol, Nasischijf, Willempie, Frikandel XXL.
Does a Frikandel really need to be XXL?
We're on our way to one of our favorite snack bars in the Netherlands. It's a place with an absolutely massive menu of snacks and sauces. Our objective is to try every single brown trout that we haven't had before. The deep cuts, if you will. The snacks that you don't typically see at every snack bar. But first, we have to try these new croaky Frikandel speciaal chips. It's kind of like snack bar foreplay. Oh.
Mmm.
Whoa.
They're good.
Very like curry. Ketchup curry.
Tastes like a Frikandel brocha.
It really does. They're quite good.
They're really good. Four stroop waffles.
All right, now that we're all warmed up, it's time to fuck with some snacks we've never tried before.
We're starting with the Gehaktbal out jus.
Or the meatball and gravy.
Get some of that gravy.
Cheers.
It's a meatball. It's a gravy.
And it kind of melts in your mouth too.
It's a good meatball.
So soft. I mean, what
It's brown gravy and a meatball.
more do you need? You
It's
know
5 stroop waffles.
By the way, we're back at Cafetaria Define Proofer in Etten-Leur, and you might have seen them on TikTok or Instagram, or maybe in our video from a few months ago. They're very famous for their POV style videos where they show you what it's like to run a snack bar in the Netherlands. Okay, so how would you rate the...
I've already rated it. It's 5 stroop waffles.
5 stroop waffles.
Yeah. It is taking like every fiber in my being not to just go down there and order like my favorites right now because their menu is so massive. Like I really want a furfreiter.
Or a viandel.
Or a viandel
yes.
or 2.
Speaking of our favorites, we just posted a video a few weeks ago where we rated some of the top snacks in the Netherlands and Belgium. And a lot of y'all let us know in the comments that some of your favorites were things like the Shoarmarol, the Saterol, which like, I can't believe we haven't had yet.
We should do something about that.
Ready? All right.
Doe maar Boutje.
Een boutje.
Texaan.
Texaan.
Sjaslick.
Sjaslick.
Met de saus.
Yes. All right. I will prepare it for you guys. Oké, nu gaan we de snacks oppakken en klaarmaken voor Alex en Michelle. Oké, top. Boutje, braadworst, Texaan. De Texaan maken we zelf, dus die wordt alleen maar door ons verkocht. Saterol. Kabeljauwstick. Oké, eerst moet de braadworst erin, die moet altijd langer frituren. Oké, nu gooien we deze 3 snacks erin. Oké, nu gooi je de Sjaslick erin en de Texaan. Nou, alle snacks zijn nu klaar.
Oh my gosh, the feast has arrived.
This is the Boutje, and I think it's just a big chicken nugget on a stick.
It looks like a corn dog,
Yeah,
kind of, but like stout. So we've also got some of their house special sauce, which is
so
delicious.
good. Yes.
So we're gonna use that for most of this. Oh, we also have curry sauce.
Yes, this is the Zigeunerstick
Curry sauce,
curry sauce, which we've never had before. Have we?
It's chicken.
Yeah, it's a chicken
So I'm gonna
nugget.
dip it in the curry
All right.
sauce. I think that's probably the
You're
more
not missing
appropriate
out
thing to
on
do. No.
the naked chicken.
Come here, baby.
Oh, hot, hot.
So it's like a big meatball that's fried. You all right over there? Good crunchy exterior.
I love the crunchy exterior. It's like pretty thick.
It's got a really nice herby flavor.
Yeah.
Like that's what makes it different to me than just like
Chicken nuggets or chicken fingers.
3.5 stroop waffles.
3 stroop waffles. This is the Texaan, and it appears to be some meatballs, bacon, and onions on a stick.
I asked him if it was just like a beer claw with bacon, and he said yes, but smaller.
Uh-oh, that doesn't bode well for
I'm actually
us.
just gonna dip it in some of the satay sauce that's from another future snack.
I think you should use a fork.
Oh, look.
How do you get all the pieces in your mouth, though?
Oh, there's no problem for me. This has the same issue that the beer claw has for me.
I do appreciate that the onions aren't over fried. Like, I still get the raw onion flavor, which is different than most beer claws that I've had in the past.
I don't know. It's just kind of plain.
Yeah.
1.5 stroop waffles.
I'm gonna give it 2 stroop waffles. This is the Sjaslick, and it is pork, onions, and peppers, again, on a stick.
With the Sjaslick sauce.
Yes, it's a little like floral ketchup.
So we had this when we were at the Embassy Festival. We got it from the Georgia booth.
Yeah.
Obviously the presentation was a little bit different.
All right.
Okay.
You just take a bite. I'm afraid to put the pointy part in my mouth.
Good pork flavor. Love the flavor of the peppers with it.
The peppers are excellent.
And the sauce really does add to it. It like makes it nice and sweet.
Yeah, the sauce really balances out because the pork is so salty.
I get it. This one's good. It's also healthier because there's vegetables on it.
Yeah.
You know?
You get your fiber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4
Four
stroopwafels.
waffles. This is the Braadworst, and it's a deep fried Braadworst,
We initially ordered with mustard, but he said that a lot of people actually order with the satay sauce.
which looks delicious.
No, it doesn't.
I think it looks delicious.
No, this looks terrible. But
It does.
it's gonna be delicious.
It's gonna be delicious. Wow, you're just going for the whole thing. Cheers.
It's you know, it's a girthy sausage, akin to a hot dog.
It's got a nice crispy skin.
Yeah, because it's been fried.
Yeah, it's made even crispier. It's a very good combination.
This is very unique
I know. I don't.
compared to
Think,
the other things we've had.
I wouldn't have liked this as much with the mustard, so I'm really glad that you double checked on the sauce to get it with.
Yep.
It's quite good.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna give this 4 stroopwafels.
I'm gonna give it 3.5 stroopwafels.
This is the Saterol, which is satay flavored meat covered in a breaded coating,
Looks like a lumpia.
but like with breading on the ends.
Oh, it's got like cubed
I
meat
did
inside
not
of it.
expect it to look like that inside.
Didn't expect that.
I thought it was just gonna be kind of like crumbly meat, you know?
Is this chicken?
I have no idea.
Tastes like satay sauce, chicken,
Yep.
or like cubed meat.
But the majority of the flavor is satay sauce with like a bready exterior.
I don't really understand why you'd get it over all of the other plethora of options,
Yeah.
but
like,
it's not bad.
It's fine, but I'm just kind of like, why?
3 stroopwafels.
2.5 stroopwafels. Next up is the Kabeljauwstick, which is a big chicken nugget. I mean,
It's a fish nugget.
it's quite literally a fish stick.
I don't know. It looks like it's 4 fish meatballs, unless it's
Yeah.
a lie. You know, It smells like fried fish.
Oh, it does, definitely. I've only seen him make this one time, and oh my God, no way! It's way too heavy for that. You're gonna take out a tooth.
We're gonna actually use their special sauce for this one, and this is like a homemade Yelpie sauce almost.
It is a little bit more herby
Yeah,
than sweet.
and more flavorful,
Which I prefer.
and more thick. Which I can I have the first bite?
Yeah, go for it.
A lot of cod. A lot.
Is that a good thing?
You tell me.
Okay.
It's better than the fish and dips. Quick.
Yeah.
A lot better. It tastes like real fish.
It does taste like real fish.
Real fish that's been like put together and fried.
Yeah. It's too much fish for me.
What?
Yeah.
No, I like fish. I love white fish.
I don't know.
You're crazy. If you're looking for fish,
If you're looking for fish, you're gonna get it here. Would you get it again?
no.
But what if you were feeling fishy?
If I was feeling fishy, I would get it.
All right.
But I would also just drive to Quick and get a kingfish. I'm gonna give it I'll give it 3.5 stroopwafels.
3.5 stroopwafels. Now it's time for the Ham-kaassouffle, which is a kaassouffle with ham.
Yeah, it's got like a little bit of like a Dorito crumb situation on the outside that is, I think, identifying it as the ham.
Yeah, so you don't think it's like a Doritos Locos Ham-kaassouffle?
No, can you imagine?
With the kaassouffle, the cheese inside of it is already like such a strong, salty cheese that I don't understand why it needs the ham.
It's fine. It's just like,
Why? If I ate that blindfolded, I wouldn't know there was ham inside of it.
neither would I. 2 stroopwafels.
2.5 stroopwafels.
Michelle, did you know that in 2017 there were over 4,800 snack bars in the Netherlands, which is about 2.9 snack bars per person?
Per person?
Per person. Did you know that in Venlo, Sittard, and Heerlen, it was 5 snack bars per 10,000 people?
What?
Did I say 2.9 per 10,000 people?
No, you said 2.9 per one person.
All right, round 2 is here. Oh my gosh.
This is the Grove Frikandel, and it's just a frikandel with coarser meat inside.
We have a regular Frikandel here for
Control purposes.
Yes, we're very scientific here on
We
the
are.
Uncharted channel. That's a regular Frikandel.
That feels okay. That feels nice. Ow! Ow! Oh, God. Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
That's the money shot right
when
there.
you touch Frikandelin, it is thicker meat.
Yeah, it's definitely a very different textural experience. I do think it tastes a little different too.
Texture-wise, it's exactly like a breakfast sausage in the U.S. Regular one is much softer.
Softer, juicier,
Yeah.
goes down more easily. This one fights back a little bit.
Which one are you? Are you more of a Grove Frikandel or a regular Frikandel in that regard?
Well, clearly I just hit you, so I'm a Grove Frikandel because I fight back a little bit.
Oh, okay. Agree to disagree. I get why it's not ordered as often because there's like a slight variation on the popular Frikandel.
I do like how crusty the exterior is. It's a little bit
She
more...
loves the crusty exterior. 3.5 stroopwafels.
3.5 stroopwafels, yeah. This is the Smulrol, which is a roll filled with diced meat and vegetables.
Yeah, and I have a confession. I've had this. We went to Barla when I got my driver's license.
Yep.
We decided not to film the video that day because we already filmed a video of Marla Nassau, and we went to a snack bar because we don't just eat this for the vlog.
No.
We actually like this stuff.
We do it for the love of it.
Yeah, we do it
Specifically
for the
our
of the
love
game.
of it.
Yes. Yeah, specifically our love of the game.
Indeed.
Anyway, I had it there.
Don't spoil it.
I didn't like it. I don't think it's that good. It's very crispy on the
Yeah.
outside.
I was very excited about this because
I was too.
it kind of is like an egg roll texture.
Smells like tacos.
Does it?
Yes. I think I said the same thing when we tried it off camera.
I don't know. I remember it being completely like tasteless.
But I remember it smelling.
Oh, really? I was scentless?
Touch my nose.
Smellless? Can we do this?
Oh, sure.
All right, ready?
Oh, yeah. We've never done that before? No, one started first.
Maybe on our wedding. At our wedding.
Light taco meat flavor.
Yeah.
This one's better than the other one.
It is.
Thankfully.
This one is a lot better.
I wish it was spicy.
I do wish it was spicy.
Even a little spicy.
Yeah, I think if you had some spicy sauce to put in this, it would raise it 1 stroopwafel.
I'm going to give it 3.5 stroopwafels.
Ooh, I'm gonna give it 3 stroopwafels. This is the Shoarmarol. Shoarmarol? This is the Shoarmarol, which is shawarma meat wrapped in a phyllo-style dough.
Yeah, this is,
Very egg roll-esque.
yeah. It's almost like a cannoli.
Oh,
except the
yeah.
ends aren't exposed. A lot of y'all have said that we need to try this one. I think this is probably one of the lesser deep cut, lesser known things.
He also
Oh, yeah.
told us to try it with some garlic sauce that they make in-house.
They make their own in-house garlic sauce. That's pretty.
Oh my gosh, it's very garlicky smelling.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Let's break it open.
Yeah, kind of looks like the Smulrol a little bit on
Kind
the
of.
inside. It's almost like a little sausage inside of it. It's so formed.
Do you like it when there's a little sausage inside of it?
Yeah, of course I do. Who doesn't?
This tastes like,
It's like a taco inside of an egg roll.
this tastes exactly like a taco inside of an egg roll. This is like exactly what a taco meat tastes like.
Old El Paso taco seasoning mix.
Old El Paso, not Old El Paso.
Right.
It's
Yep.
called Old El Paso.
Old El Paso is the brand. Gosh,
Doesn't
now I
taste
feel
like-
kind of weird putting garlic sauce on
This
it.
doesn't taste like shawarma though.
A little bit, but it definitely has more of like a strong like cumin flavor.
I like this
that's giving
better.
taco. It's giving.
It's giving taco. Do you like when it's giving taco?
I personally love to give taco.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's garlic sauce.
These are 2 very powerful flavors together. It works,
It does work.
but it is very strong together. Do you want to kiss me after this? Oh.
Is it our first kiss on camera?
Oh my God. I feel so vulnerable.
You want a French kiss?
Not here, not now.
Okay.
Maybe in the car
I don't
later.
know. This is like the most romantic place.
Oh. Do you want to get remarried here?
I was expecting it to taste like shawarma. It doesn't. It tastes like tacos, but that's actually a very good thing, and it goes really well with the garlic sauce. I'm actually gonna give this 4.5 stroopwafels. I will order this again.
I will definitely get this again, especially with this garlic sauce.
The garlic sauce from Cafetaria, the fine proofer and
I'm gonna,
Etten-Leur.
carry it around with me in like a little squirt bottle. 4.5 stroopwafels. It's delicious. This is the Zigeunerstick. It's chicken, pork, and onions.
And before we get to the final 3 things, do y'all have any tips for super unique snack bar foods that we should try? Things that are like the julienne or the friet in Venlo or
The Eierbal.
the
in
Eierbal
Groningen.
Groningen. Things that are just kind of super unique that we haven't tried before. If you do, let us know in the comments because we would like to try them now that we've tried every snack bar food in, well, we haven't yet. After these next 3 things, we'll try everything in the Netherlands.
It's time for the deep,
But not
deep
Belgium,
cuts.
because in Belgium there's like a bazillion more snack bar things.
We got a lot of work to do in
Yeah.
Belgium.
Oh, and we made a playlist of all of our Dutch and Belgian snack bar videos. If you want to follow along with our journey, we'll put the link to that playlist in the description. Okay, so when Luca gave us the Zigeuner sauce, he said it's interesting. He didn't like it when he was a child, but now he does.
Yeah, it's very,
It smells like vinegar.
yeah, it's a very strong vinegar.
It's got
scent.
stuff in it.
Chunks.
And what is this? This big chicken nugget?
Chicken, pork, and onion.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
on a stick.
Can I eat it first?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
It's exactly like the Boutje or whatever from earlier.
The Boutje had more flavor inside.
A little bit of like an ambiguous meatball situation with breading.
With a
It's not
super
bad.
crunchy exterior. Yeah,
Exterior's nice.
it's okay. It's a little plain for me.
I'm excited about the giving this sauce here a try.
Oh my gosh, you're putting so much on it.
It can't be that bad. When have you ever been steered wrong at a snack bar in the Netherlands, Michelle?
It's just pepper sauce. Oh,
Well, not black
yeah.
pepper sauce.
paprika. pepper sauce.
Yeah.
Wow.
It tastes exactly like someone mixed Heinz ketchup with fresh green
Pepper puree.
peppers. Mhm.
Yeah.
I mean, this is whatever.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's just like, I don't, like, why?
I don't really like it. It's kind of generic to me. Everything else has a bit of a point of view, and this is just, it's whatever.
I'm gonna dip this Frikandel in this Zigeuner sauce.
I'm going to try it fresh.
The sauce, I'm gonna be honest, 4.5 stroopwafels.
Yeah, I agree.
This would be an A-tier sauce.
Yep.
If this is a sauce tier list video.
It's very good. Very unique.
The stick, 2 stroopwafels.
I'm going to give it
2.
1.5 stroopwafels.
That's bad though.
Like, it's not bad, but I just don't really like it that much. Sauce is very good, though. This is the Willempie, which is a deep-fried meatball kind of situation with onions mixed inside.
Look how thick it
How
is.
stout
It's
it
like,
is.
it's thicker. Girl, you're thicker than a picanto.
Hell yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh, oh my god,
Oh my God.
there's a giant ass onion and
There
a pepper
is
in here.
onion in there.
Look at this. Oh, I don't want this. I was hoping at this stage of the video we were going to be like into like things that weren't just meatballs, but
Yeah.
everything's just some semblance of a meatball.
It is.
So,
We've really been avoiding the meatball category in snack bars. I think.
apparently, I didn't even know that.
Cheers. Meatloaf. It's meatloaf. It's American meatloaf. If you put this on my plate next to some mashed potatoes and some jarred green beans, this would be a Michelle's mom specialty.
It's a little saltier than meatloaf.
My mom made the meatloaf salty.
Oh.
Yeah, this is meatloaf.
It's
I
fine.
actually
I don't
like
think
it
it tastes
a
like
lot.
meatloaf. I think it just tastes like another sausage, another very thick sausage. But unlike the picanto, it's not spicy. It's a little spicy, but not like the picanto spicy.
No, it's spiced, not spicy.
I don't know.
We're gonna vary so much on this.
2.5 stroopwafels.
4 stroopwafels. It's
Oh my
delicious.
God, really?
Yep. Save that one for me.
Okay.
I love it. And finally, the Nasischijf, which is a deep fried rice ball.
I'm so excited about this. We wanted to try this for so long, but it's so hard to find these days
It is.
at snack bars.
It is true.
Yeah.
Yep.
The more popular Schijf, it's the noodle version of this.
Which is so good.
And you can find it pretty much everywhere, but the Nasi one with the rice is a little bit less.
a little bit more on the rare side.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at that.
Oh, whoa.
Look at all that seasoned rice on the inside.
I'm so full right now. Oh my gosh.
Well, why not eat a big fried ball of rice?
Yeah, there's always room for rice.
There's
That's what
always
they
room
say.
for a big fried ball of rice.
Okay, here we go.
It tastes exactly like a Schijf, but it's with rice.
The flavors are very similar. I do like the little pieces of rice, the texture. It is a lot drier.
I can see why it's not as popular as the Bami.
Yeah, for sure.
People were surprised that I put the Schijf in A tier in our snack bar tier list.
How could you not? It's so good.
I don't understand it. I mean, the concept of like taking like fried noodles or fried rice and like frying it up and breading it,
Yeah.
brilliant.
And making it a to-go snack.
Yeah,
I could
brilliant.
walk around with one all day.
It's delicious.
I could put this in my pocket right now.
Like in Napoleon Dynamite.
Exactly.
Hey Michelle, give me
one
some of your
tots.
Schijf.
Unfortunately, I don't like it as much
What?
as
You love
Bami.
rice.
I know, but it's drier.
Couldn't you make that argument about all rice versus noodle dishes though?
Yes. But maybe I do like some noodle dishes more than rice dishes.
Joe's been into noodles lately.
I've been noodling around lately. Don't know what that means.
She loves a noodle.
A good noodling? I
loves
thought you were
them.
gonna say.
Good noodle. It's good. I would just get the Bami every time though.
Yeah,
you know,
me
so
too.
it's tough.
3 stroopwafels?
3 stroopwafels. All right, Michelle. We've now tried every single thing you can get from a snack bar that's not like a specialty thing in the Netherlands. Did you learn anything today?
Yes, I love the Gehaktbal
Uh-huh.
because it reminded me of a dinner that my mom used to make all the time. It was like meatloaf with gravy, mashed potatoes, and green beans.
Not to be confused with the fact that you thought that it was the meatloaf when you ate the Willempie.
The Willempie, yeah, the other one had the gravy, and I really think that that's more of my mom's weeknight dinner situation.
She loves a gravy.
What about you?
The Shoarmarol.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was literally like eating a like really, really, really good taco.
Yeah.
And
How many times have we said taco in this video?
Probably a lot. I was also really like the Zigeuner sauce.
Yeah.
Was also like that's something I'm gonna be remembering that because it's a good sauce. Just period.
Period.
If you're interested in watching Luca's videos from behind the counter here at Cafetaria Define Prover, we'll put a link to his channel in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching, and you'll probably like watching this video next. See y'all next week.
Ta-da!